We train our employees with a special emphasis on product knowledge, which is an important way to be responsible for our customers. Before starting the installation, our staff reads and understands the installation instructions from the consumer's point of view and ensures that everything is ready to go. Customers who follow the installation instructions for the first time may also have problems, and we want to test the installation instructions in this way to see if they are well designed. We need to make sure that the installation process after the consumer gets the product will not damage the appearance and function of the product, which is an important consideration in examining whether the product has a design flaw. Thank you for watching our hands-on employee product installation video. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or need further information. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos about our work and products.